In the forest long ago, where the tall trees grow, lived a dino big and strong, Aardonyx. Let's sing along. Aardonyx, Aardonyx, big and kind, and with a long neck, reaching high leaps to find. Aardonyx, Aardonyx, come and see. Learning about this dino's fun for you and me. Big feet and long, long tail. Aardonyx leaves a trail.
Hello viewers, welcome to the Aardonyx Dino Expo. Stick around until the end of the video, and I'll share 3 little-known facts about the Aardonyx dinosaur that will make you a dino genius among your friends. Let's join Zack and Zoey inside.
Hi there everyone! Today we're diving into the fascinating world of dinosaurs, focusing on a special one called the Aardonyx.
Ooh, sounds cool! What's so special about the Aardonyx, Zack?
The Aardonyx is a unique dinosaur from the early Jurassic period, around 200 million years ago. It's one of the earliest known sauropodomorphs, which means it's related to those gigantic, long-necked dinosaurs you often see in movies.
Sauropoda, what now?
Sauropodomorphs. They're a group of dinosaurs that includes the giant sauropods. The Aardonyx falls into this category, but is more primitive. Its scientific name is Aardonyx celeste, and it's part of the clade sauropodiforms.
Got it! So it's like a grandparent to the really big dinos. Can we watch the dinosaurs, Zack?
Absolutely, Zoe.
In the forest long ago, where the tall trees grow, lived a dino big and strong, Aardonyx. Let's sing along. Aardonyx, Aardonyx, big and kind, and with a long neck, reaching high leaps to find. Aardonyx, Aardonyx, come and see. Learning about this dino's fun for you and me. Big feet and long, long tail. Aardonyx leaves a trail. Eating plants all through the day, watch it munch, munch away. Aardonyx, arch away. Aardonyx, Aardonyx, big and kind, with a long neck, reaching high leaps to find. Aardonyx, 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 big and kind, with a long neck, reaching high leaps to find. Aardonyx, Aardonyx, come and see. Learning about this dino's fun for you and me. Big feet and long, long tail. Aardonyx leaves a trail. Aardonyx, so and wise, lived beneath the ancient skies. Fossils found, stories told, bringing history to unfold. In the forest, side by side, Aardonyx takes a stride. With his friends it plays all day, in the greenery they stay. Aardonyx, 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 big and kind, with a long neck, reaching high leaps to find. Aardonyx, Aard's noble and see. Learning about this dino's fun for you and me. Now we've learned and had some fun.
Paleontologists recognized Aardonyx from fossils found in South Africa. They discovered partial skeletons, including limb bones, vertebrae, and parts of the skull.
That must have been an exciting find.
Absolutely. It helped scientists understand how early sauropodomorphs evolved.
So, what does the name Aardonyx mean?
Ard is Afrikaans for earth, and onyx is Greek for claw. So Aardonyx means earth claw, referring to its powerful claws used for digging or grasping.
Earthclaw? That sounds like a superhero name.
It does, doesn't it? Now, about its size, Aardonyx was about 20 feet long, or roughly 6 meters. In terms of height, it stood around 6 feet tall at the hips, which is about 1.8 meters.
Not as big as some of its relatives, but still pretty impressive.
True, it weighed around 1,000 pounds, or about 450 kilograms.
That's like 5 of me!
And it was relatively fast for its size, capable of moving at speeds up to 15 miles per hour or 24 kilometers per hour.
I bet it would be a great runner in a dinosaur race.
For sure. One of its distinguishing features was its semi-bipedal stance. While it could walk on all fours, it often stood on its hind legs to browse for food or perhaps for display.
So it was like a part-time quadruped?
Exactly. It also had a long neck and tail, with robust limbs and large curved claws.
What did it munch on?
Aardonyx was an herbivore. It likely fed on ferns, cycads, and other low-lying vegetation.
But it didn't eat meat, right?
Correct. As a plant eater, it didn't need to capture prey. Instead, it used its strong jaws and teeth to strip leaves from plants.
How did it eat those tough plants?
Aardonyx had simple, leaf-shaped teeth, suited for slicing through tough vegetation. It likely used a combination of its strong jaws and sharp teeth to process its food.
Did it hang out with friends?
It's believed that Aardonyx might have been a social animal, possibly moving in small groups to forage for food and protect against predators.
Did it have its own space, like a dinosaur bedroom?
Sort of. Aardonyx might have had territories that they defended, especially if resources were scarce. But like many herbivores, they probably roamed over large areas in search of food.
How well could it see or smell?
Its sensory abilities were likely well developed. Good vision and a strong sense of smell would have been crucial for detecting predators and finding food.
Where in the world did it live?
Fossils have been found in South Africa, indicating it lived in the region that was part of the supercontinent Gondwana during the early Jurassic.
What was the environment like back then?
Aardonyx lived in a semi-arid environment with seasonal rains, supporting a variety of vegetation. The climate was warmer than today, with no polar ice caps.
Let us watch the next video.
In the forest long ago, where the tall trees grow, lived a dino big and strong, Aardonyx. Let's sing along. Aardonyx, Aardonyx, big and kind, and with a long neck, reaching high, leaps to find. Aardonyx, Aardonyx, come and see, learn about this dino's fun for you and me, With big feet and long, long tail, Aardonyx leads the trail, eating plants all through the day, watch it munch, munch away. Aardonyx, arch away. Aardonyx, Aardonyx, big and kind, with a long neck, reaching high, leaves to find. Aardonyx, 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 big and kind, with a long neck, reaching high, leaves to find. Aardonyx, Aardonyx, come and see, learning about this dino's fun for you and me, With big feet and long, long tail, Aardonyx leads the trail. Aardonyx, so and wise, lived beneath the ancient skies. Fossils found, stories told, bringing history to unfold. In the forest, side by side, Aardonyx takes a stride. With his friends it plays all day, in the greenery they stay. Aardonyx, 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 big and kind, with a long neck, reaching high, leaves to find. Aardonyx, Oz, you'll go and see, learning about this dino's fun for you and me. Now
grow up?
Juvenile Aardonyx probably grew rapidly to avoid predation. Growth rings in their bones suggest they had a high growth rate, reaching adult size relatively quickly.
What was its world like?
Aardonyx lived alongside other early dinosaurs, crocodile-like reptiles, and various other prehistoric creatures. It played a role in the ecosystem as a primary herbivore.
Are scientists still arguing about the locomotion of the Aardonyx?
There are ongoing debates. Some believe it was more bipedal, while others argue it was primarily quadrupedal.
How did it disappear?
Like many dinosaurs, Aardonyx went extinct, likely due to changes in climate and vegetation, possibly combined with competition from other herbivores.
Wow, Zack! The Aardonyx is such a fascinating dinosaur. Thanks for teaching us all about it.
Anytime, Zoe. And thank you everyone for joining us. Remember, the world of dinosaurs is vast and full of exciting discoveries.
As promised, here are 3 little-known facts about the Aardonyx dinosaur. Graviportal limbs. The Aardonyx had weight-bearing limbs, much like modern elephants. This feature helped it support its large body mass, making it easier to move around. No tail club. Unlike some sauropods, the Aardonyx didn't have a club at the end of its tail. This suggests it had different survival strategies and perhaps faced less predation pressure during its time. Growth rings. Analysis of its bones revealed growth rings, similar to those in trees. This suggests that Aardonyx may have had seasonal growth spurts, possibly linked to food availability or climate conditions. Bonus fact: the jaw of Aardonyx was adapted to allow a wide gape combined with a strong downward pull, helping it feed more effectively on low-growing vegetation. Thank you for watching, and remember to join us on our next adventure.
So and wise lived beneath the ancient skies. Fossils found, stories told, bringing history to unfold.